I'm going to go over the first project because it seems like a lot of you had problems with it. I don't blame you. Our book is a little bit out of date. So you'll notice here that I have my Premiere Pro workspace, and this is a standard workspace. It's called the editing workspace. Now, if I were to go up to the top right, you'll see this little icon. If you hover over it, it says Workspaces. I'm going to click on that, and you'll see that the editing workspace has been chosen, and it's in blue, and it has a little check mark. Okay, so let me just rearrange and make my own custom workspace. So say I wanted to make the program monitor smaller and the source monitor a little bigger. So I can just adjust it like this. And say I just wanted to make these two panels a bit smaller. So I'll go down here and push up like that. And say that I wanted to make the sequence, this sequence panel a little bit bigger, and whoops, I've got the wrong one here. So there we go. I'm going to make the project panels smaller and the sequence panel a bit bigger. So this is kind of my own little arrangement here. Arrangement of panels. Now say I wanted to save this, so I'm going to go back up to Windows, Workspaces, and Save as a new workspace. There we go. So I'm going to click on that, and you notice you have this little panel here, and I'm going to call my new workspace Murdoch, because that's my last name, and hit OK. So now if I go back up to the workspace icon, click on it, you'll notice that Murdoch is in blue and it's highlighted. Now if I wanted to, I could go back up to the editing workspace, click on it, and we go back to that standard editing workspace. But say later down the road, I wanted to go back to my special custom workspace. I'd click on that workspace icon, and then I would choose Murdoch. And there we go. Now, for your project, when you want to send me what you've done with your custom workspace, you also want to click on that workspaces icon so it shows the workspace menu, so I can see that your name is in blue and highlighted. And then you can make your screenshot from there. I hope this helps. So let me know if you have any questions.